For many users, the Valorant download gets stuck on an excruciating slow download rate. And if you also encounter the same problem, consider trying the solutions we have for you to resolve the issue for good. Now, as it turns out, the problem can result from a temporary glitch in the Riot client. In this situation, just give the download a restart and check if it solves the issue. Now, the Riot client will also fail to download or update Valorant if you're connected to a weak and unstable internet connection. So you can check your internet stability and speed by visiting an internet speed checking website. Now, if you notice that you are getting a comparatively lower speed, try rebooting the router. Moreover, you can try closing Discord from the background, and you can do it by opening Task Manager, right-click on Discord, and choose End Task from the context menu. Along with Discord, you can also consider closing all other network-consuming applications like Chrome and Spotify from the background. Lastly, try switching to a different DNS server to eliminate the problem. Do it by opening Settings, open Network and Internet, click Wi-Fi, choose Hardware Properties, click Edit next to DNS Server Assignment, choose Manual in the drop-down menu, then choose IPv4 or IPv6, then click Save. And that's how to fix Valorant download speed stuck at the lower speed rate on Windows. If you found this video helpful, kindly like and subscribe. You may also click and turn on the notification bell so you can be notified from whenever we release new videos.